Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make healthy whole wheat pancakes. People love my recipe for the perfect pancake, and one of the most common requests I get is for a whole wheat healthy version, and today I'm sharing that with you. We're going to start by sifting 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. And you want to sift this all together, and my flour doesn't all fit, so I'm going to add in a little bit more here. Sifting is an optional step to take, but it does make for a fluffier pancake. Whole wheat produces a more dense result, so sifting is a great idea for whole wheat pancakes, so you get that light, fluffy, delicious pancake. Then you'll add in 1.25 cup of either buttermilk or milk. I prefer buttermilk because it's a little bit of a fluffier pancake once again. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of honey for a sweetener, 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce to keep things nice and moist, and 2 eggs. We'll whisk this all together. You want to whisk this until most of the lumps are gone. Then get a non-stick griddle or other flat pan heating over medium-high heat. I like to use a 1/4 cup measuring cup to scoop my batter and scoop that directly onto the griddle. And since I'm using a measuring cup, they'll all be about the same size. Once the edges start to look dry, that means they're ready to flip. This recipe makes about 10 pancakes, and it can easily be doubled or tripled to feed a crowd. Once your pancakes are done cooking, you are ready to eat. Serve it up with your favorite syrup. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.